everybody, it's Drew with Southern Yankee Innovations, and today we're working on some little home project. We're finishing an attic space, and in the meantime we're going to run the wood boiler hot water line up to the attic for the second floor heat pump. Our electric bill last month was $129, which I think is pretty good for a two-story 1,700 square foot house. But we're going to see if we can't maybe do a little better and run the upstairs unit off of the wood boiler also. So the problem we're running into is we need to get from the basement to the upstairs attic through the floor without messing up any sheetrock is the goal. Fortunately, I've got a attic that's on the second floor before it goes up to the attic above the second floor, so I do have this wall of access that I don't have to worry about trying to go through. So all I have to do is go from here through one floor down to the basement, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do it. So on the other side of this wall is the second floor and the stairwell. So I measured out from the doorway to the top of the end of the first step, and that gives me roughly where the front step should be on the lower staircase as well. So I'm coming back 24 inches from the doorway, and that'll be the max point to the doorstep, which put me in this area here. So my plan is to drill through the bottom and then start running a cable down to the downstairs, and then I'm going to drill back up and then see if I can't meet it in the middle.
Off on select mattresses.
What I'm going to use, my drill, 3/8 adapter, 3/8 extension with a 7/16 socket with my drill bit, and then just a little trick so that way when you're drilling down and you drill through the board that you don't lose everything. You can just go through with some electrical tape, get it started. That'll just help you keep everything tight so you don't lose it once you break through. Alright, and then I have to go through the nailer board on the rafter into the ceiling joist in the other attic space. Alright, so you can see a nailer board for the stairs. Now it's not the stringers. So you need to offset enough to make sure that you're going up into the wall upstairs and not into the floor. So if you're doing any type of work like this, they have these tough rod fiberglass fishing poles that glow in the dark, and it's money well spent trying to fish, whether it's electrical lines or water lines. To invest in something like this so you can actually see and work with what you got. It's still not going to be easy, but trying to find it without is nearly impossible.